Now let's take a look at the Savings and Debt Progress page. This page brings together your savings goals and your revolving debt, making it easy to monitor your long-term financial progress. At the top of the page are your savings goals. These are automatically linked to the Savings and Goals section on your Money page, so there's nothing extra to set up here. Whenever you add a new savings goal, update a target, or record money you've saved on your Money page, the information shown here updates automatically. Each card displays the name of your goal, how much you've saved, your target amount, and your overall progress toward reaching it. The emergency fund is your foundation goal and is designed to help you build a financial safety net before focusing on other savings goals. As you continue adding money throughout the year, you'll be able to watch each progress bar grow, making it easy to see how close you are to reaching your goals. If you ever need to make changes to a savings goal, simply return to your Money page. Any updates you make there will be reflected here. Below your savings goals is the revolving debt summary. This section gives you a quick snapshot of all your credit cards and lines of credit in one place. Here you'll see your total outstanding revolving debt, along with a quick summary of how your debt is changing over time. Directly below the summary is your monthly debt trend chart. This chart shows how your total revolving debt changes from month to month. As you update your balances, the chart grows automatically, making it easy to see your long-term progress. Some months you may make significant progress, while other months your balance may stay about the same or even increase slightly. That's completely normal. The important thing is the overall trend. Even small reductions each month add up over time and can be a great source of motivation. Below the trend chart are your individual debt account cards. Each card focuses on a single credit card or line of credit, giving you a clear picture of that account's progress. You'll see the current balance, your starting balance, your minimum monthly payment, your payment progress, and a chart showing how that balance has changed over time. As you continue updating your balances, these charts make it easy to see the progress you've made on each account individually. If you've paid more than the minimum payment for the month, you'll also see a reminder highlighting that extra effort. Small additional payments can make a big difference over time, and it's nice to see those wins recognized. These cards also help you identify which debts are shrinking the fastest and which ones may need a little more attention. The final tool on this page is the "What if I paid more" calculator. This feature lets you see how increasing your monthly payment could affect both your payoff time and the total interest you pay. Simply choose one of your revolving debt accounts, then enter an additional amount you'd like to pay each month. As you adjust the extra payment, the calculator estimates how much sooner you could pay off that debt and how much interest you could potentially save. Even small increases can make a meaningful difference over time. Paying just a little extra each month may help you become debt-free months or even years earlier, depending on your balance and interest rate. Remember, this is a planning tool designed to help you explore different payoff strategies. You can experiment with different payment amounts to find an approach that fits comfortably within your budget. That wraps up the Savings and Debt Progress page. Together with the Money page, these tools help you build savings, reduce debt, and stay focused on your long-term financial goals.